the ultimate beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet. Whether you're completely new to keto or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. So, what exactly is the ketogenic diet? Simply put, it's a high-fat, low-carb eating plan designed to switch your body from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. On keto, you'll focus on eating foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty cuts of meat while minimizing your intake of carbohydrates, including sugar and grains. On keto, you will get many benefits. First is weight loss. On keto, you will be on ketosis state, which encourages the body to use stored fat as its primary energy source. This can lead to more significant fat loss compared to diets that rely heavily on carbohydrates for energy. Second, appetite suppression. High-fat and moderate protein foods consumed on the keto diet tend to be more satiating, leading to reduced appetite and overall calorie intake. Many people find they naturally eat fewer calories on a keto diet, which can contribute to weight loss. Third, improve liver function. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is characterized by the accumulation of fat in the liver. The ketogenic diet, by its very nature of promoting fat, can help reduce liver fat content. Studies have shown that low-carbohydrate diets, including the ketogenic diet, can lead to significant reductions in liver fat accumulation. Fourth, normalize blood sugar for diabetics. By minimizing carbohydrate intake, the keto diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This can reduce cravings for sugary and high-carb foods, leading to better control over food intake and potentially aiding weight loss efforts. Fifth, improving energy, cognitive function, and mental clarity. Mitochondria are the energy-producing organelles within cells. The ketogenic diet has been shown to enhance mitochondrial function and biogenesis, that leading to improved cellular energy production. This may contribute to increased energy levels and improved cognitive function, as the brain requires a significant amount of energy to function optimally. So, there you have the ultimate beginner's guide to the ketogenic diet. If you're ready to transform your health and achieve your goals, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more keto tips and recipes. See you next time.